It's the Britt Rochelle Show. Do, do, do.
Hello, Peaches. 'Twas a dark and stormy night. No, seriously, it is actually storming outside. Damn it. And anyways, we're going to make a delightfully delicious treat known as sinful cinnamon bread. For that you will need flour, lemon juice, baking powder, baking soda, salt, vanilla, milk, brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, butter, and eggs. Let's get started. As always, to start, you will preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And grease up a Bunt pan, for this will be our baking implement for the day. It's kind of like a cauldron, but it's got a hole in it. So it's like a cauldron donut of sorts.
Where are the goddamn bowls?
It is here in this mysterious, spooky bowl we will make a concoction consisting of a tablespoon of lemon juice, pour that right on in there. And also a cup of milk. Yes, only to that 1 cup mark. Not much more. You don't want to taint the mixture. Now we shall just set this to the side for 5 minutes. I'll set the timer so I don't forget. In this other bowl, we shall mix our flour, our baking powder, as well as our baking soda, our cinnamon, and our salt. For extra dark, spooky goodness, we fresh grind it. But not too much, just a teaspoon. That should be enough. We'll also be mixing in our honey. Now we mix. Oh. It's okay, this is why we wear the apron. The mess has happened. In a separate mixing bowl, we shall put in our milk mixture. Our oil. Our eggs and our vanilla. As always, you measure the vanilla with your black little heart. Yes, yes, excellent. Cracking our eggs. Egg 1 has been cracked. Egg 2. Mix it all together. Double, double, toil and trouble. Get this bread done on the double. Here, we will combine the 2 bowls and mix it together for at least 3 minutes. The wet and the dries coming together to make a deliciously delectable doughy delight. It's all coming together. I can feel the wickedness and sin rising in me, just as the spread will rise in the oven. Very good. In yet another small bowl, we mix together our butter, our cinnamon, and our sugar. There it goes. We must combine until the mixture is crumbly. If you've forgotten to butter your bunt pan at the beginning step, that's perfectly okay. You can always just do it now. My sound guy is going to hate that. Now here in our mystical donut cauldron, we shall pour just half of this mix into the mixture. Just half. Not all of it. You complete and utter psycho. We're sinful here, not psychotic. And we shall take just half of this mixture here and marble it into this mixture as I shall demonstrate. Now to marble it, you shall just simply swirl it around as such, so that it mixes in. Trying to avoid scraping the sides because, quite frankly, I hate that noise. Now we shall add the rest of the mix and do the same thing. I'll use the plastic utensil for this last part so we don't miss a single lick of this brown sugar mixture. Then we don't have to worry about that god-awful noise. There we go. Now it is clean. And we swirl as such. Those pretty swirls going. Now into the fires for 45 minutes this shall go. So we're going to bake it for 45 minutes now. To an hour. However long it takes. We shall be back to check it in 45 minutes hence. The time has come to get the bread out of the oven. Magical fire shields for your hands, so we don't burn ourselves on the flame. All right. Let's get this onto a plate and let it cool so that we may try it. Oh, what's the desired effect? For it to all come out at once in one piece. Now once it cools, we shall cut a slice and give it a little taste test. Now for the ritual slicing of the bread. Beautiful. Ah, yes, look at that marbling. That marvelous marbling. Let's try it. Bad to the bone, that cinnamon bread is simply delightful. If you dare try this recipe at home, do let me know how you'd like it. This has been Britt, and I hope you stay peachy. Powers of the storm imbued, summon me a loaf! Loafus summonus! Editoris, do your jobbis! Ah, I've done it. Naysayers will say I simply baked it. To that I say,